Today we're going to take a look at this is the Romanian Pioneer 177 caliber. This was a gun used by the Romanian Young Pioneers, which was a communist youth group similar to the Boy Scouts. I paid $50 for this gun, and when I bought it, I asked them if they would send me a really nice one, and they sent me a really nice one. This gun is probably in, I don't know, 90-95% condition. This will be the first time that we've shot it, so I have no idea on how it's going to perform. It has the sling strap, one on the barrel here and one on the end. One thing about this gun I noticed, for a cheap gun, it actually has, I'm going to show it to you closer, but it actually has a safety. Has the globe front sight. About the last, I would say, from where that globe is, right there, that's a muzzle brake. The rest of it is barrel. I'll show you the sight elevations. Here's the rear sight. I'm going to show you the safety on it. The safety, that's fire. You move it up like that, that's safety. For a little cheap gun like this, you wouldn't expect them to have a safety on it, but they did put one on here. Anyway, this gun is for $50, it's just a pretty sweet little gun, and it seems like it's fairly well made. I was very surprised, and I'm real pleased on being able to add this to my vintage collection. So I guess now what we're going to do is we're just going to go shoot this. We're going to shoot at some paper from about from approximately 25 feet. Like I say, I don't know how it's going to shoot or anything. I've shot it a couple times after I put the new breech seal in it, and it shoots about probably about right in its low 500s, which is pretty good for a youth air gun. Today we're going to shoot these Premier wadcutters. They're 7.4 grains, and we're going to see how it works with those. Maybe we'll try some other ones later, but that's all I'm going to shoot today. So anyway, let's go shoot this. I always enjoy making these, and I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is the first time I've shot this, and this is from 25 feet. I'll just kind of give you a look at it. I notice that it is shooting to that side, so I'm going to take and tap that dovetail over a little bit to adjust that a little bit. But it's not that bad little group for a little cheap $50 pellet gun. So anyway, we shot it about 10 times for you on paper, and I noticed that it was shooting a little bit to one side. So what I'm going to do, I think I can get it to center more on the target. I'm going to take, and if you notice right here, there's a little dovetail, so I can move this to one side or the other. So I'm going to scooch it over a little bit so I can get the barrel to align with the side a little better. And I'm sure that'll solve the problem as far as getting it centered on paper. But anyway, this is actually, I was real surprised. This is actually a pretty nice little gun. I'm going to show it to you one more time because I know I missed some stuff at the first of the video. I wanted to show you too. It actually has a steel butt plate on it. And I'm going to show you the barrel here. I'm going to show you the underneath side of it really good. I just wanted to kind of show it to you. They also make this in another model. It's a Bakelite stock instead of the wood stock, but I really wanted the wood stock, so I went ahead and spent the extra couple dollars and got the wood stock. I'm going to leave a link in the description if any of you is interested in getting one of these. So anyway, it was a lot of fun making the video, and I always like making them for you. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Have a good one.